Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Mint Alternatives workflows with Monarch Money. Complete guide step by step clearly.
To begin, log into your Monarch Money account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Identify the section that relates to your financial workflows. Click on the Workflows tab to access your current settings. Review the existing workflows you have set up. Determine which Mint alternatives you would like to update. For each workflow, click on the Edit button. Start by modifying the name for clarity if needed. Next, assess the categories tied to each workflow. Adjust these categories to better reflect your current financial situation. If you need to add new categories, select the Add Category option. Input the name of the new category and save your changes. Now, focus on the linked accounts within each workflow. Review the accounts linked to your workflows. If any accounts are outdated, click on Remove Account. To add new accounts, once your accounts are updated, move on to transaction categories. Review how your transactions are currently categorized. Make any necessary changes to ensure they align with your financial goals. After making changes, verify the settings for notifications. Adjust notification preferences according to your needs. Next, check if you want to add any new integrations. Browse through the available integrations in Monarch Money. Select relevant integrations that align with your financial management goals. Once you've made all your adjustments, save your updated workflows. Finally, take a moment to review everything one last time.
Congratulations, you have successfully updated your Mint Alternatives workflows in Monarch Money. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.